Okay, this is Michael. What I got here is my 2000 Mountaineer. What happened is I'm not getting no heat. The heat vents for the AC that go flop in and out when you're switching from cold to hot are not working. So I discover that this hose right here, you can see it right here. It goes right here on top. Look, it is completely, I can just break it off. It is completely rotten. And it goes straight down there, connected to right here, to an air hose plug right here. Okay? The good thing about this, now I got all dirty. Okay. The thing about this, you can unplug it. All right, first let me remove it. These are air hose. Vacuum. That's what you call vacuum. Give me 1 second. All right, so I replaced the hose. As you can see, it gets connected right here, right? This is a fuel line, and then it goes right there like this, and then right there you see it. And that's where it got plugged. What that does is it opens and closes this. This is a heater coil. This is what your heater inside your car. This right here, you see? It opens and it closes, and it's done with a vacuum line. So it wasn't giving me heat or cold because that line right here, that vacuum line had a hole in it. So again, listen for psst, psst, psst. Any noise like that, you have a vacuum leak. And that's what your problems were at, especially Mercedes-Benz. A lot of them they're vacuums, the last times I checked. So again, there it is. You're not getting no heat, no that. Check. And this is a 2000 5.0. This is one of the best engines Ford ever made. So again, you will have that. So good luck. Any questions, just leave it and I will answer them. Thanks for watching. This is Michael.